What's up? Today I'm in the Zaleski State Forest, going to a backpacking trail. As you see, State Forest backpack trailhead, Zaleski. Yeah. What's up? Had to take a rest. I'm just a little bit over 4 miles in. It's hot today, and this pack is heavy. I'm bitching. I don't know. At least I'm free. Free from the ties that bind. Check out where I took a rest at. There's a little creek here. And there's a log in which I'm sitting on. And that's where I came from, behind there. Yeah. And that's where I'm going. Just wanted to take a little rest. It's peaceful. Check this rock out. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Soft.